Sky blue, the sun glistening. I hear morning birds whistling. Yesterday I weren't listening, but right now I feel different. I've been down in the alley with darkness around me, where everything's cloudy and gray.
Birds chirp as I serve my brew. I'm cool with the work I do. Clock ticks and the world might move. Time stops with a girl like you. Perch tight, word my dude. I observe life from a bird's eye view. Jerks try hurt my mood, but my sky pure bright blue. No piss taken. I tell my demons they got mistaken. I lift weights, eat less bacon. I run with the sun just waking. Jumping ropes and my legs aching. Bathing when the heat get baking. Hiking when I need escaping. Stopping when the sight breathtaking. Cool, no cynical vision when I'm by the swimming pool. Sitting with a friend or two, sipping brews with them, chatting, chilling, skinny dipping with a few women. Just a simple musician getting loot when I'm in the booth, spitting singing tunes, ripping new rhythm, scribbling cool shit to the syllables. Fitting this shot of Remy got me merry, followed by a shot of Henny while I'm voluntary, solitary hand on my belly, bumping Machiavelli, bopping by the jelly. Then I get a cute message on my celly. Who's this? That hottie Betty, pretty stunning, something like Holly Berry. Hurry up, honey bunny, come and get me, cause I got another bottle with me. Better bring your bare body quickly, bottoms up, we can swallow plenty. We ain't gotta stop till the second bottle empty. Then she unzips my flyer till I twitch and whine with desire. Wired up by her shit is fire, sizzling like a kitchen fire. Finna make it fine, bitch, sing higher than the very high bitch Mariah, higher than the little children's choir. Busting the grill, Richard Pryor, winning like Sheen, living my dream, sharing my life with the right queen, tearing my mics, getting my green, feeling mad like, get what I mean.